All right, so this is what's called an isosceles trapezoid. And the way you can tell that is the two sides that are going down are equal to each other. You see that?
Yeah.
So that's an isosceles trapezoid. In an isosceles trapezoid, these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. And what do the angles in a quadrilateral add up to?
180.
360 degrees. So this is pretty easy. Depending on what they ask you for, it's pretty easy to find all the angles. If I've got this one up here, we know that's going to be 101. And so that gives us 101 and 101, which is 202. And when you subtract 360 minus 202, you get 158, I believe. So you have 158 degrees left. Does everybody understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So then you have to divide that by 2, and it would be 79 and 79.
There's also an easier way of doing that.
So also, these two consecutive angles add up to 180. So you can do it that way too. Okay, so in this one, we cannot tell what these measurements are here because it's not an isosceles trapezoid, okay? These two sides are not equal. So we can't tell those two, but we can tell this one here would add up to 180, so it's 130 degrees. So be careful. If it's not isosceles, you cannot conclude a lot of things. You can only find each side. So here they would have to give you this angle here, and then you could find this angle here. You can't figure those out yet.
Well,